Hi, good morning everyone. Myself Santosh Rajendra Kola. Today's date is 26th July 2022 and today's our Viva topic is memory management in Java. In Java, memory management is the process of allocation and the deallocation of the objects, which is called memory management. And Java does memory management automatically, and Java uses an automatic memory management system, and it is called a garbage collection also. And thus we are not required to implement the memory management logic in our application. And Java memory management um, divides into two major parts, in which a JVM memory structure working of the garbage collector, and the advertisement in this, we learn that some advertisement are there in which JVM memory structures the basic of the various runtime data areas in a heap memory, and these areas are used during the program execution, and the memory areas of are destroyed when JVM exists, and whereas the data areas are destroyed when the thread exists. And JVM supports in the Java for the runtime environment, and the methods area it is a part of the heap memory which is shared among all the threads. We can share from all of the threads, and the main part in the JVM is the threads, and which stack area, and the stack area generates when the thread creates, and it can be filled or dynamic size, and the stack memory is allocated per thread, and it is used to store data and parallel result, and it contains references to the heap objects, and it also holds the value itself, then the reference to the an object from the heap memory, and the variables which are stored in the stack have a certain visibility, and it is called as the scope and resolution. And working of the garbage collector, a garbage collector, it is a this is the overview in that JVM, and when the program executes in Java, it is used in a memory in a different ways. The heap memory, it is the part of the JVM in which the objects live, and only a part of the memory that involves in the garbage collections, and whatever the process, it is also known as a garbage or a heap collection of the memory in the Java. Thank you.